Where is it? Is it late?
Again, it's not late. We're just that early, Captain Enthusiast.
Well, it shouldn't be long now. When it gets here, you'll see that getting here early is worth it. It's way better to see it arrive rather than just turning up on the dot. Its construction and characteristics are something a Captain Enthusiast, such as myself, would find too good to miss. And besides... See what I mean? A GWR Class 51XX large prairie tank engine, lovingly preserved and faithfully restored, runs like it just got newly built and perfect for this heritage railway line.
Okay, admittedly, that is pretty amazing to look at.
Yeah, very nostalgic for a bygone era. Is something wrong, Marcus? No, nothing. It's just that, for a moment, I thought we were being watched.
I wouldn't worry about it. Lots of people go train spotting. That's what they're probably looking at.
You see that, lads? All those people. Their stuff. Yeah, Gus? Sure, Gus. Right, lads, here's how it works. The line's only long enough for us to get 4 tries in. Once that train stops, we get in, grab anything that can net us some big money, and scoot. Time we got to work.
What a view!
I agree. There's something strangely catching about looking at the countryside from a train, which means more photos for the album. You sure about this, Gus? Of course I'm sure. The old tree on the line trick never fails. It's a foolproof strategy. It's invincible. Hey Gus, the train's coming. Right lads, hide and wait for the brakes to slam on. Then we pounce. Right Gus. Remember, wait for the brakes. What? How?
See that? A tree on the line. Yeah. Well, we'll be able to notify the authorities once you get to the station.
Look, a tree on the line. How'd that get there?
At least it didn't fall onto the track this train's on.
I just don't believe it. Well, Gus, looks like your invincible strategy just got vinced. All right. So what if that didn't work? We still got more chances. This is what we need for a situation like this, a high-tech solution. Just remember, keep in touch by radio. See that, Gus? This is the strategy that's foolproof and invincible. Just get to the front of that train, take out the crew, and stop Hey, don't get impatient with me, Gus. Just 'cause your failed plan was stuck in the Stone Age and mine worked as it should. Don't you get fresh with me, Gav. I'm not budging till you admit my idea's a good one. Gav, you'd better get inside that train pronto, or else duck. Not until you praise my idea. Gav, seriously. Nothing will take me off of this roof until you... Gav? Oh, that might have caught me off guard, but it's not going to happen a second time. Round 2, here we... Yeesh, talk about insult to injury. That was uncalled for. You see, Gus, third time's always a charm with this sort of thing. Yeah, but Gaz, this idea'll work better than your twig and Gav's ego. Shut up. This plan is simple. I push the boulder rolls down this hill, and blam, it blocks the track. But Gaz, watch. How come that didn't work? Gaz, did you factor in speed and trajectory? What's trajectory? I think that's a no. Just one last chance. Let's make this one count. So far, all our attempts have failed, but this time it's no more Mr. Nice Guy. This time, they'll have to stop. Hey Gus, can I put the bomb down yet? Oh no. Attention Control, this is Patrol 291. Are you receiving me? Over.
Patrol 291, this is Control. Receiving you. Over.
Massive explosion spotted 2 kilometers south of my position. Moving to investigate. Request ground backup. Over.
Roger. Dispatching back up to your position. Over.
We're almost at the station. Right-o. The sooner we warn them about the tree, the better.
That was quite fun.
I second that.
Thirded, an unforgettable experience. Let's go home. It's getting late.
In other news tonight, 3 suspects identified as Gus, Gav, and Gazgang were arrested this afternoon for detonating a bomb with seeming intent to harm. Their attempt failed, and the suspects, now in custody, are facing up to 15 years in prison.
Typical of a day out, an unforgettable train ride, and we come home to nothing decent on the telly.
On the bright side, at least we enjoyed it. These are some good pictures. You know, guys, for some reason I can't help but feel something was going on while we were on the train. Something that we missed but should have noticed.